Right guys, what is up and welcome back to another video. I hope you enjoyed the nitrous install, which should be up by now. Next video should be testing that one out, so stay tuned for that. Very excited. Just need to find a place to fill the nitrous tank. I've already bought the jets, they're on the way. But today, you've seen the title, we're going to be fitting the cheapest eBay steering wheel to the Volvo 340. Hopefully it lasts, but obviously for any steering wheel you need a boss, and we've bought this. It's a Peugeot 205 Boss pre-1988, so for a pretty old car, but I've read online, apparently they fit, so I guess we'll take the wheel off, chuck it on. Steering wheel I'm going to be picking up tomorrow, grab that, film it tomorrow, chucking it on there, but what we're going to be doing right now is just putting the boss inside the spline for the steering collar. Haynes manual, which I'll be giving a quick read through today, gives it a difficulty of 1 out of 5. So by my standards, it should take about 7 hours. But you know, we'll give it a go. Hopefully it all goes smoothly, and hopefully by the end of this video, the Volvo has my deep dish, super budget.
It should look like something like mine.
Race wheel, because it's a race car. It says drift in the eBay listing, so it's basically a drift car, you know, once it's on. So yeah, let's get it on. Right guys, I'm gonna take a picture of this, put it in. We got a very ingenious film setup right now. Let me grab a shot for you, because it's pretty amazing. Right, so Volvo manual. Let's quickly find steering wheel. Steering wheel removal and refitting. Set the front road wheels in straight position. Done. Raise the motif from the center of the steering wheel. Photo. That. Motif.
The cap.
Cap.
Let's try 24. Ah, get in. Okay, here's what we're gonna do.
With a fucking breaker, man. Really?
Yeah. You don't understand how tight these bolts are. Oh, you haven't got steering fucking lock.
Yeah, tight, yeah.
I'm sorry. I forget this isn't a normal car. Oh, there we go. Volvo have designed something helpful. Do you know how long it took me to do that in an MX-5?
Volvo intended you to be doing race car swaps on this. And you can do it in comfort with these lovely seats.
Do it in comfort with the heated sofas.
Okay, we're not using this. What was that? Oh, it was on.
There we go, that's on.
Alright, so as you just seen from the video, literally a case of slotting the hub on. There's the little spline down there. There's literally just a nut here that goes on top of that. That's what it's looking like from the inside. Obviously when this is on, this all of this is exposed. Endless fun. Obviously when this is exposed, oh god, this is exposed now, so maybe I'll come out with some kind of trim to fill that in, but it's not that important. We're just going to chuck this bolt on, and then I will put the wheel on tomorrow, and it should just Allen key round onto these, and then I'll have my racing wheel, which will sit about here. Do you want to chuck your wheel on it quickly then to hold it in place?
Yeah, take 2 seconds.
Alex, I reckon this would be a good upgrade for you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see it now. Do you want to see a funny trick? Right.
Go on.
Horn.
Which I'm not going to have.
Half turn. No horn.
Anyway, let's get these off.
There we go. Right.
Wheels off.
Wheels off.
Let's get it on the Volvo. Right, so, see if it starts.
Race car.
That is idling rough as fuck. 200 RPM idle. It's a race car.
Race car.
Race car now.
Race car.
Race car. Me.
Instantly stalls the race car. I think it's slightly smaller than the original one.
It's a lot smaller. I'm interested to see what my eBay Alcantara one is like.
I'm slightly concerned about your eBay. Power steering. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice. I'm trying to get an idea of the tracking once I get some speed up. Well, these ones it scrapes on.
Does it though? Oh, you're right. Oh, you're very right. Get it on. If I did have one, I'd have to sell something.
Oh yeah, I forgot we don't have auto cancelling indicators anymore.
Bang it!
It's not hot enough.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, the amount! Did you see the amount of black smoke that came?
I love this car.
You want to take it for a quick spin?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, the steering's a little off.
A little. Field of power. How fast are we going?
I don't know. How fast are we going? Ah, it looks like 0 miles an hour to me.
Not breaking the speed limits. We're parking.
Just drive it straight. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I've gone and picked up the steering wheel, my steering wheel, from the post office. So I guess I'll open it, have a look what a £33 budget eBay steering wheel looks like. Not got high expectations, to be fair, as long as it doesn't break on me as I'm going round the roundabout. That's all I'm asking for. It's pretty small, similar to Alex's. Another thing I like about the suede is it's grippier, in my opinion. Yeah, that feels a lot grippier. Do you know what? Actually, I'm feeling that. That looks and feels pretty nice, and it feels pretty solid. Horn button shaking, which isn't ideal, but we'll see what it's like once it's tightened on the car. Anyway, I'm gonna go jump in the Volvo, tighten all of these round, and we'll see how it looks. I'm not going to go for a drive because you've already seen Alex's wheel on it, but I'll give you an idea of how it looks on the car. I reckon it's going to look pretty nice. I'm interested to see how the deep dish looks. It sticks out quite a bit, you see there? But yeah, I'm happy with that. 33 quid. Bargain. Okay guys, so I just took it out for a tiny little test drive, just up and down the lane around my house, and it is really nice. It's really grippy. It's all installed. I'll show you quickly. Let me do a little pan up for you. Yeah. Let me open this door so I can give you a better view, but I really like the look of it. I think it really suits the car. It makes it look just cool. And as I said, the texture is really really comfortable to hold. It feels really nice and it's really grippy. But yeah, deep dish, as you see, it sticks out about that much. I need to get something to fill in that gap there where the boss connects onto the steering spline, but yeah, I think it looks great. When you're sat in the car, although it's deep dish, like some of the ones you see, it's not insanely close to you. In fact, it's perfect height away from me. That's my wrist resting on the top of the wheel, arm's length, which is what it should be when you're driving any car. The flat wheel that I tried, Alex's, was a little too far forward. That was like over here almost, so I was having to stretch to reach it, but this is perfect. The horn doesn't work yet. Need to sort that out. I don't know if we'll keep the horn here or I'll get another little push switch or here like we have for the nitrous over there. But that is the Volvo with my race steering wheel, deep dish race steering wheel. Super happy with it. It was a little bit of a shorter video today, but it's a wheel install. It's really not that difficult. It doesn't take a lot of time. It's just a boss that bolts on and a wheel that bolts onto the boss, really. Anyone can do it. If you want one of these, I mean, it hasn't stood the test of time yet, so I haven't tried doing anything extreme like with it. And obviously this is manual steering on this car, so it's going to have more force applied to it than a power steering car. But I would highly recommend, if you're in the market for an aftermarket steering wheel, you've got a very tight budget, check these out, buy one of these. Literally just search deep dish steering wheel on eBay and you'll see it. I paid 33 quid for this and I'm not complaining. Not yet anyway, let's just wait until it snaps in half when I'm going around a roundabout. But anyway, that's the video for today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe all the time. Loads of more videos planned. A lot of stuff's happening to the Volvo at the moment, but any of you subscribe for the Audi, stay around because there are going to be more videos on that in the future, but lots of things happening to this. Right, see you in the next one.